I can't find my boarding gate. Excuse me, can you help me for a second?
Sure, what's wrong?
I'm looking for my gate, but I can't find it anywhere.
Okay, no problem. What's your gate number?
It says gate 22 on my ticket.
Gate 22. Let me check the signs. I don't see it near here.
Really? I already walked past gates 18, 19, and 20.
That's strange. Gate 22 should be close to those.
Maybe I'm in the wrong terminal.
What airline are you flying with?
Skyline Airways.
Okay, Skyline usually uses Terminal B.
Terminal B? I think I'm in Terminal A right now.
Yes, this is Terminal A. That might be the problem.
Oh no! How far is Terminal B from here?
It's not too far. Maybe a 10-minute walk.
10 minutes. My flight board's in 20 minutes.
Don't worry, that should still be enough time.
Okay, which way do I go?
There's a walkway over there. Follow the blue signs.
Blue signs, got it.
You can also check the flight boards near the walkway.
Good idea. Let me check my ticket again first.
Sure, take your time.
Wait, actually, it says gate B22, not gate 22.
Ah, that explains it. You missed the letter B.
I feel so silly right now.
It happens to a lot of travelers. Airports are confusing.
Thank you for helping me figure that out.
No problem. Let's walk together. I'm heading that way too.
Oh, are you going to Terminal B as well?
Yes, my flight leaves from there too.
That's lucky for me.
What time does your flight leave?
3:45 p.m.
Mine leaves at 4:10 p.m., so we have similar timing.
Good, we can walk fast together.
This way, follow me.
Okay, I'm right behind you.
So where are you flying to today?
I'm going to Chicago for a work meeting.
Nice. I'm flying to Chicago too.
Really? What a coincidence.
Small world. Is this your first time traveling for work?
No, but it's my first time at this airport.
That explains the confusion with the gates.
Yes, everything looks so different here.
This airport is huge. Even I get lost sometimes.
That makes me feel a little better.
Look, there's a screen. Let's check your gate status.
Good idea.
It says Gate B22, boarding at 3:25.
Boarding already? I thought it started later.
Some airlines start boarding early for busy flights.
Then we need to hurry.
Yes, let's walk a bit faster.
Is there a shortcut we can take?
Actually, yes, there's an escalator right here.
Let's use it.
After the escalator, Terminal B is straight ahead.
Thank goodness.
Do you have all your things? Passport? Boarding pass?
Let me check. Yes, I have everything.
Great, then we're all set.
What about security? Do I need to go through it again?
No, once you're inside, security is already done.
Oh, that's a relief.
Just follow the signs for gates B15 to B30.
B15 to B30. Got it.
There it is, Terminal B entrance.
Finally, I was starting to worry.
See, we still have time.
Thanks to you.
It's really no trouble at all.
Can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
Do you travel a lot for work?
Yes, almost every month.
That sounds exciting.
It is, but also a little tiring sometimes.
I can imagine.
Look, Gate B22 is just ahead.
I can see it now.
There's already a line forming.
Should we hurry?
We have a few minutes, but let's not wait too long.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, is that an announcement for our flight?
I think so. Let me listen.
It says final boarding call for Skyline flight to Chicago.
final call? That's us.
Let's move quickly.
My heart is racing.
Almost there. Just a few more steps.
I see the gate agent.
Let's show our boarding passes.
Here's mine.
And here's mine.
Thank you. Have a good flight.
You too! That was close!
I really thought I would miss it.
But you made it. That's what matters.
I'm so relieved right now.
Let's find our seats.
What's your seat number?
14C? What about you?
I am in 16A.
Not too far from each other.
That's nice. At least I know someone on this flight.
Same here. It makes the trip more comfortable.
Thank you again for your help earlier.
Don't mention it. I'm glad we found the gate in time.
Me too. I learned my lesson about checking gate letters.
Ha! That's one travel lesson you won't forget.
Definitely not.
Next time, you'll know to look for the terminal letter first.
Yes, Terminal B, not just Gate 22.
Exactly. Small details make a big difference at airports.
I agree. I was so focused on the number.
It's an easy mistake, especially when you're in a hurry.
True, and I was definitely in a hurry this morning.
Well, everything worked out in the end.
Thanks to your help.
I was happy to help a fellow traveler.
Is Chicago your final stop, or do you have another flight?
Just Chicago this time? What about you?
Same. Chicago is my final destination.
Then we can relax for the rest of the flight.
That sounds perfect.
The flight attendants are closing the doors now.
Wow, we made it just in time.
A few more minutes and we would have missed it.
I don't want to think about that.
Let's just enjoy the flight now.
Good idea. I'm going to relax and try to sleep.
That sounds like a great plan.
Thanks again for everything today.
Anytime. Safe travels and enjoy Chicago.
You too. I hope your meeting goes well.
Thank you. I hope yours does too.